Walls, ceilings, floors, windows, and doors all can have energy information included with the element, and we can then create an export file that can be sent to REScheck. You can then open the export file in REScheck to determine whether new homes, additions, and alterations meet the requirements of the International Energy Code or several state energy codes. In this tooltip, we'll show you how it's done. In my sample model, I have walls, a floor, ceiling, a window, and a door. Each of these elements holds energy information. I'm going to select one of the walls, right-click, and select Properties. This will give me the information of the wall. If I scroll down under the basic properties of the wall, I'll see the energy information. You select if you want to include this wall in energy calcs or not, and then the type of wall that it is. REScheck has different designations for basement and crawl space. This wall we will keep at normal. The wall should also have an R value for the cavity based on the insulation that you'll use in the cavity of the wall. The wall can also have a continuous R value. A continuous R value would be for insulated sheathing that will run up the entire wall. These properties will be reported in the REScheck export. Click OK. Now let's look at the ceiling. I left-click to select the ceiling and then right-click to select Properties. The ceiling has the same options as the wall. Cavity would refer to insulation put above the ceiling, i.e. in the attic space, and continuous would refer to if you're using a board product that has insulated properties too, like an insulated board. These values will also be added to the overall REScheck export information. Click OK. Now let's look at a window. Select it and then right-click and select Properties. By scrolling down in the basic properties of the window, I can see the energy information reported. Again, a basic check if you want it recorded in the REScheck export calculations. And then the frame type. There are a variety of materials to select based on the window you are using. The glaze type, also various options for you to select and have a bearing on the energy efficiency of the window. The windows will also have a U factor, the rate of heat loss through the window, and a solar heat gain coefficient value, the amount of solar radiation that passes through the window. All these values determine the energy efficiency of the window and are exported out to REScheck for evaluation. Click OK. Now the door. I selected and right-click to reveal its properties. Scrolling down to the bottom of the basic properties, I can see the energy information. The door has only two options, included or not, and what is the U factor for the door. The information will also be exported out to REScheck. Click OK. You can then use the REScheck export tool to export data from the model to a REScheck XML.RXL file. Select Tools, Analyze, REScheck Export. In the Save As dialog box, select a save location and file name, and then click Save. The file is saved as an RXL file, and you can then open that in REScheck for an evaluation of the model and see if it meets energy codes. I hope that makes your work easier.